there's also going to be mostly things that I need you guys to use at your house with the kids. So when you have your telehealth session, it would be good, one, to have a stationary camera, a stationary computer. If you're using your smartphone, just have it stationary and out in front of the kiddo, where they have room behind the device that they could put down paper. If I'm going to ask them to draw some things, they can have paper, pencils, crayons, markers. I might ask for you to have some toys handy, and so we can manipulate the toys. They can manipulate the toys on their end. Um, some of the kids today some of the young kids have loved the puppets. Um, but a lot of this is going to be, for the parents, you doing some stuff on your end while you're sitting next to your kid. Of course, we're talking about, kids probably younger than age 10. And the kids who are 10 and older can probably do some of the stuff on their own. And certainly the teenagers don't have to have their parents sitting right next to them in order for us to be doing some of these things with therapy. So those are some tips. Oh, headphones. That's so that nobody else can hear what you're saying. Although I am in my home office with the door shut, I just want to have that added security that nobody else can hear you. The same for you if you wanted to have that added security at your house, and stick some headphones into your device, and that way nobody else can hear me but you.